Situation. No. Situation. Americans change the vowel sound in unstressed syllables of words to uh. You can see my lips barely open. Uh, uh, ch, shun. We just want the vowel sound to be as weak and short as possible. Situation. And when you have a TUA in the middle of a word, you say ch instead of t with the CH sound. So yeah, we get situation, 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 situational. Again, unstressed syllable of the word, so instead of saying I'll, we say oh, situational. Depends on the situation. It's all kind of situational.